Hey guys, in this video we're going to draw Labubu. I hope you're going to follow along with me. Here's a quick preview of how our drawing turned out at the very end. Now also with this lesson, you can color your drawing any way you want. You can also add extra details, like even give your doll clothes. That would be really cool. You can really color your drawing however you want. I chose to color mine dark brown, which maybe that changes the name, but still I love how this drawing turned out. It was a lot of fun. And I hope you have a lot of fun with me. Don't worry about making your drawing look exactly like mine. The most important thing is to have fun. I'm using markers to draw and color with, but you can also use whatever you have, colored pencils or even crayons. Let's first draw her nose in the middle of our paper. I'm going to start by drawing the letter V, and then we can draw the top of the nose to finish. Now let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw a big letter U's. And then we're going to draw another one over here to match. And then we can draw the eyebrows. We're going to draw a curve at the top. I think it's funny how these look kind of angry. We're going to draw the eyes inside, or the pupils. We're going to draw another oval shape inside. And I'm also drawing it touching the bottom of that first shape that we drew. Then we could draw a smaller circle on the top of each oval. And then let's color in the big oval, but leave that little circle white. If I ever go too fast or we fast forward the video, remember you can pause for more time. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm gonna draw a big smile that starts from one side over to the other. I think the smile is the best part. We're gonna draw the sharp teeth. So right here in the middle, we're gonna draw a W for the two front teeth. And then on the left side, we could draw 3 teeth. So 3 more letter V's. And then on this side, we're going to add 4 so that there's a total of 9 teeth. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the shape of the head. So first up here, we could draw little zigzags going across the top. And if you want, you could draw a guideline or a circle, an oval shape going all the way around. But we're just going to use our Sharpies and we can draw an oval shape, but I'm drawing a zigzag oval shape. So the bottom part of this shape is right next to the teeth. And then we're going to come around and then connect in where we started. Okay, now we can draw the outside shape of Labubu's head, and we're gonna do the same thing, but down here at the bottom, I'm gonna draw it pretty close to that first oval, and then up at the top, we're gonna draw it further away. Wow, we're drawing it huge. It's gonna take up most of our paper. Hopefully we have enough room for the ears. We're gonna draw those next. Right here, we're gonna draw an upside down letter U. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. I'm kind of drawing the center of the ear, or the inside part of the ear, more straight. And then we're gonna draw the inside with a smaller upside down letter U on both sides. And then we can also draw the fur going around the outside of the ear. So I'm going to draw zigzags right here, and then maybe we'll just simplify it by coming up and around, and then zigzags down here at the bottom. And then we can repeat that over here too. All right, there's our Labubu's head. Now we can draw the body. And let's first draw the arms sticking out to the side. So we're coming down diagonal. So we're going to draw 2 bumpy lines coming down. And then we can draw the end of the arm coming back in. And then maybe just a little up for the armpits. And then we're going to come down for the body and the legs. So we're going to draw it coming down and also in, kind of curving down at the very bottom. And then down here at the bottom, we're going to draw some big zigzags on both sides coming into the middle. And then we can draw it coming up for the inside of the legs. And then we're going to draw the bottom of the body coming around and up. I went kind of quick, so remember you can always pause the video. You can even rewind it if you need to.